আৰক্ষীয়ে কৰিছে ওলাই আহিছিল নাগৰিকত্ব
The situation has turned violent in Guwahati right now. I'm standing in Ganeshguri. We can see all around this locality, protesters are filled up. People are resorting to pelting stones. Even just few moments back, tear gas were shelled by security personnel, and now you can see protesters everywhere. Their same demand is that cabs should be scrapped immediately. And now you can see the situation is turning grave in Guwahati. Few moments back, we can see the stage that was prepared to welcome Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Now it's being burned in the middle of the road. This is the situation of Guwahati right now. These are the voices of the people. They want to show. This is the situation in Guwahati. You can see the stage that has been prepared by the state administration in order to welcome Japanese Prime Minister along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is being burned in the middle of GS Road. These are the visuals. The burning city, Guwahati, is turning into a burning city after locals, students, people from all sections of society are coming out to raise their voice against the bill that is considered to be contentious, draconian, non-secular, unconstitutional. At many times, these voices have been protesting against this bill. Similar protest has been carried out last year. By the way, so you can see these visuals behind me. The stage that has been prepared for welcoming Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now burning. The stage that is being prepared by the state administration for giving Guwahati a beautiful look. Now these are being burned by protesters in their demand against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. These are the exclusive visuals you are getting through East Mojo. You can see hundreds of protesters behind me. They're standing there for a long time now. Since 12 in the noon, these protesters has come down to the road with the same demand to scrap this bill, which is under discussion at Rajya Sabha. We have to wait and watch whether these voices of the people, the protesters here, will be reaching to those sitting in the parliament right now. Will the opposition be able to put this bill under a joint parliamentary committee or a standing committee? We have to wait and watch. Guwahati is turning into a burning city now. Tires being burned. Stages prepared for welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with his counterpart Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Now it's being burned by protesters. You can hear the slogans clearly saying to overthrow the BJP government from Assam, not from Assam, but from Northeast too. I would like to inform our viewers, these are not protesters, only students. These protesters are locals, people from all sections of society, senior citizens, children, youths, everybody is joining in this protest because everybody is concerned about this bill, which is considered to be a threat to the Assamese society, not only Assamese society, but to the entire northeastern region. A similar sentiment has been shown by the protesters. They're saying that we won't let any illegal foreigners, be it Hindu or Muslims, to come to Assam or Northeast. With the centre's latest decision to keep ILP implemented states and the 6 central areas of Assam to keep So you can see the visuals right in front of me. These are the stages that were being prepared by the state administration to welcome our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now it's burning here in the middle of the city after the government has tabled the Citizenship Amendment Bill in Rajya Sabha and is under discussion now. I would like to inform viewers that in order to pass this bill, there need the support of 121 MPs. We have to wait and watch till then. The bill is under discussion, which is upholded by Indian Home Minister Amit Shah, is under discussion. However, Indian Home Minister has assured that the demands of Assamese people will be fulfilled. He has directed that the Clause 6 committee that has been formed in July will address the issue of Assamese society. However, we have to wait and watch. And now, situation is turning grave in Guwahati, along with other parts of the state. We East Mojo has been keeping a track of everything that is happening in and around Guwahati, and we'll keep you updated minute and minute. With video journalist Mukut, this is Sandeep reporting for East Mojo.
আমি সম্পূৰ্ণ গণতান্ত্ৰিক এইটো বজাই ৰাখি আমি আন্দোলন কৰি আছিলোঁ। তেনেতে হঠাৎ প্ৰশাসনে আহি আমাৰ ওপৰত লেতেৰা পানী প্ৰয়োগ কৰিলে। তাৰপিছত আমি কোনো একো কৰা নাই, আমি নিজৰ প্ৰটেষ্টটো আমি নিজে কৰি আছোঁ। আমি সাংবাদিক বজাই ৰাখি আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি আছোঁ। ঠিক তেনেতে আমাক আহি কোবাইছে পুলিচে। এয়া কোবাওঁতে মই পৰি গৈছোঁ, পৰি মই হাতত দুখ পাইছোঁ, ভৰিত দুখ পাইছোঁ। এতিয়া খোজকাঢ়িবলৈ কষ্ট হৈ আছে আৰু একো নাই। চৰকাৰৰ যদি এনেকুৱা মই মতালি এনেকৈ যদি আমি এনেকুৱা চৰকাৰৰ হেৰিত যদি থাকিব লাগে, তাতকৈ স্বাধীন অসম বিচাৰোঁ। চিধা কথা। মোৰ নাম ৰাহুল কলিতা। প্ৰতিবাদ ইয়াতকৈ ভয়ানক প্ৰতিবাদ হ'ব। আমি যুদ্ধ ঘোষণা কৰিম আৰু
আমাক স্বাধীন অসমৰ কাৰণে আমি দাবী কৰিম। এইবাৰ
আমি দাবী কৰিম।
আমাৰ কথা কোনো গুৰুত্ব নিদিয়ে। কিয় গুৰুত্ব নিদিয়ে? আমাক গণতান্ত্ৰিক প্ৰতিবাদ কিয় তেওঁলোকে এনেকুৱা ফেচিষ্ট শাসন কৰিছে আমি ছাত্ৰ নৰ্মেল মানুহখিনি আহিছে ইয়াত আহি তেওঁলোকে আমাৰ ওপৰত গণতান্ত্ৰিক আন্দোলনৰ ওপৰত তেওঁলোকে হেৰি কৰিছে আক্ৰমণ কৰিছে ভৰিত কোবাইছে হাতত মাৰিছে এইবিলাক কি তেওঁলোকৰ বিজেপি চৰকাৰৰ শাসন নেকি এই পৰিৱৰ্তন নেকি পৰিৱৰ্তনৰ নামত কি কৰিছে আমি স্বাধীন অসম আমি দাবী কৰিম দুদিন পিছত জেলত যদি যাব লাগে জেলত যাব লাগে
লগা হলে আমি জেললৈ যাম তথাপিও আমি প্ৰতিবাদ বন্ধ নকৰো জয় আই অসম
ভাৰতৰ যদি গুৰুত্ব নিদিয়ে আমি স্বাধীন অসম দাবী উত্থাপন কৰিম
So viewers, I would like to show the Assam Secretariat here. You can see the employees of Assam Secretariat has come out of their offices and they are protesting against CAB right now. We are not being allowed to go inside the premises of Assam Secretariat by the security personnel standing here. However, we can show you the visuals and the upset and anger they have against this bill that is under discussion in Rajya Sabha. You can see their voices, you can hear the voices, what they are shouting and what they are demanding right now. This is not an usual situation in Guwahati, including government employees coming out to the roads, employees of Assam Secretariat coming out to the roads and demanding to scrap this bill. You can see hundreds of them are standing in front of the Janta Bhavan here in Dispur, Guwahati. You can see the visuals. My video journalist is showing the visuals. We are not being allowed to go inside the premises despite many requests. Security personnel are not allowing us to go inside. However, we can manage to see, show you the visuals. Show the visuals from here. The upset and anger they have. They're shouting against the BJP government to scrap this bill. They are saying that the BJP government is putting forcefully citizenship amendment bill against the people of Assam. Tackle the violent anger and upset that is being carried by the protesters who has come out the roads, leaving their personal works behind. You can see here. Gopinath Bordoi International Airport, knowing the situation here in Guwahati, he's not able to come to this location now. This is the latest news that I can provide my viewers right now, and you can see the situation here in this port. This is the situation here. Slogan rings. People are beating up barricades. Similar situation is prevailing all around Assam, not only in Guwahati, but in other parts of the state, in Dibrugarh, in Tinsukia, in Sibsagar, in Jorhat. People are coming out to the roads demanding to scrap the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is under discussion at Rajya Sabha now. The biggest question of the hour is that whether the opposition parties will be able to push the bill to a joint parliamentary committee like the previous time, or will it be passed and accepted as an act. A fire brigade vehicle standing in front of Janata Bhavan. They are breaking down it desperately in anger. Protest is turning out violent here. A democratic protest that was carried out by protesters. Now it's turning violent, and people are resorting to pelting stones. You can see stones being thrown from all sides. People are throwing stones. You can see the situation is turning grave. Right in front of me, you can see. You can see the grave situation here. People are pelting stones at security personnel. They have just vandalized a fire brigade vehicle that was stranded in the middle of GS Road in front of Janata Bhavan. And now you can see the protesters there, angry protesters. I would like to inform my viewers, this is the situation in Guwahati. However, still yet, no one from higher officials are here present. You can see the condition of this. You can see the condition here. The condition of this fire brigade vehicle that just got vandalized by protesters. You can see the stones lying down. Damaged totally. Police is again resorting to tear gas selling. In front of me, you can see the visuals through my camera. A democratic protest, a peaceful protest has turned violent now. Just few moments back, a police vehicle has been vandalized. A fire brigade vehicle that was stranded in front of Janata Bhavan is vandalized by the protesters. And the protesters are still pelting stones at security personnel. This is the situation in Guwahati right now. GS Road is the busiest road. It's the VIP zone area of Guwahati. You can see here stones lying down, fire being burned in the middle of the road. You can see blank firing. Blank firing is done by police personnel to disperse away the mob. You can see stones lying down everywhere. These are stones being pelted by the protesters. A peaceful protest has turned violent now. This is the anger and upset of Assamese people against the bill that is tabled in Rajya Sabha. You can see blank firing everywhere. Just a few moments back, a transformer has been damaged here. These are exclusive visuals. You can see there, smoke coming out from the transformer. Protesters are damaging. A tear gas has been fired just in front of me. You can see the visuals. Blank firing everywhere. Pelting stones pelted by protesters. This is the situation in Guwahati. You can see a peaceful protest has turned violent. Now protesters are pelting stones. Security personnel are firing tear gases. And just in front of me, you can see in the middle of the road, the decorations that has been made by the state administration to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. They have burned these things. You can see the situation here. A democratic protest has turned violent. I'm repeating again and again, a democratic protest has turned violent. They're pressing on a single demand that the citizenship bill should be scrapped. These are the stones lying down the roads that are being pelted by the protesters. Last 3 hours has been a grave situation in Guwahati. For the last 3 hours, several stone peltings. Tear gas selling has been done. You can see a security personnel firing tear gas again. These are exclusive visuals. Security personnel are trying their level best to disperse away the mob. Pathor mari ase dei. Mukuta pathor mari ase dei. A democratic protest has turned violent now. Protesters still refusing to go away from the spot despite of several attempts by security personnel to move away from the middle of the road. And again, protesters have started pelting stones. This is a grave situation in Guwahati. This is not a normal situation in Assam. Situation has turned violent. You can see tear gas selling everywhere, smoke everywhere. I'd like to inform our viewers that higher police officials are also present in the spot. Just now we have seen the grim situation here in Guwahati. People started pelting stones. Police resorted to lathi charge. Even tear gas selling. I can't even open my eyes because of the gas right here. You can see the grim situation. The bill is in Rajya Sabha. Everything is tense. Everything is intense. Protesters refusing to move away from the road despite of several attempts by the security personnel. They have just vandalized a fire brigade vehicle that was stranded in front of Janta Bhavan. We East Mojo will report every now and then, minute-to-minute update of whatever is happening. You can see railings, just recently placed railings by the state administration has been burned down by the protesters. This is one of the busiest roads in Guwahati. This is a VIP zone area. In other days, this road is highly packed with traffic, and today it is turning into a battlefield between protesters and security personnel, with the reason only to scrap the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is considered to be a threat to the indigeneity of these Assamese people, the people of Northeast. We'll report minute to minute and give every single update to our viewers to let them know what is happening in Guwahati. Please be in touch with East Mojo, with video journalist Mugut. This is Sandeep reporting from Ground Zero. রেকর্ড করেছে না রেকর্ড করেছে কোটা So it's 4:30 in the evening. For the last 3 hours, the similar situation has been gripping this locality of Guwahati, that's Dispur, near Assam Secretariat. Now you can see again tear gas selling has been done to disperse away the protesters. These are exclusive visuals from East Mojo. You can see tear gas selling and blank firing being done to disperse away the mob. A few moments back, a fire brigade vehicle stranded in front of Janta Bhavan was vandalized by angry protesters. And you can see this is a situation in Guwahati. Security personnel trying all their level best to disperse away the mob. The democratic protest that started at around 12 noon, now has turned violent. Stone peltings, we have reported stone peltings, tear gas shellings from security personnel has been done. Water cannon has also been used, and now again tear gas shelling you can see here. Situation has turned futile now. Although the bill is under discussion at Rajya Sabha, these protesters are refusing to go away from the roads. They're protesting against the government's move to introduce the cap that is considered to be a non-secular unconstitutional and based on and tries to hurt the sentiments of Assamese people. You can hear the slogans of the protesters who come down the roads, keeping aside their daily works. They have come down to the roads to raise voice against the government.
আমাৰ মাতৃ আমাৰ আই অসমৰ সমান কোনো নাই একো নাই আমাৰ মাতৃ আমাৰ আই অসমৰ সমান একো নাই আমাৰ মাতৃ আমাৰ আই অসমৰ সমান একো নাই
বিলখন যদি পাছ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া এই প্ৰতিবাদৰ পৰিস্থিতি কি হ'ব পাৰে?
পৰিস্থিতি আৰু ভয়াৱহ হোৱা চান্স আছে। চ' অসম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে বুজি পাব লাগে যে বিলখন পাছ হোৱাটো বহুত ভুল হ'ব। মানুহৰ চব টিয়াৰ গেছ মাৰিছে থাকিব পৰা নাই।
You can see tear gas selling again by security personnel to disperse away the mob. We on the ground, reporting from the ground zero. You can see tear gas selling since for the last 3 years, 3 hours. You can see the roads, empty roads now. Protesters are being dispersed. You can see ambulance moving ahead, trying hard to find a way amidst the number of protesters who are coming down the roads. Security personnel placed here in the ground are trying all their best to disperse away the mob, but then the protesters are refusing to move away from the spot. Continuous efforts for the last 3 hours, tear gas shellings, water cannons has been fired, but then these protesters are refusing to move away and are sticking to the demands that they want any illegal foreigners, be it Hindu or Muslim, from other countries. I would like to inform my viewers, the situation has turned futile in Guwahati from yesterday evening, where the ban has been called by NESO. Locals came down the roads, and today more than over thousands has come down to the GS Road, which is one of the busiest roads of Guwahati, a VIP zone area. I'm trying hard to get a view of the protesters because the smoke everywhere, the tear gas selling everywhere is not letting me to get a clear glimpse of the situation. We can show you the situation that is prevailing now. Late in the evening, protesters are still there on the roads, damaging every kind of things. Decorations that were being made to welcome Japanese Prime Minister to the city are burned down now. You can see protesters from all sides coming to the GS Road with their demand to scrap this bill. Now this is supermarket area of Guwahati city. You can see security personnel chasing away the protesters. Today is not a bun day, it is a normal day. But then Everything is shut down here. Shops are being shut down. You can see the barricades lying down on the road. This is the anger that is being shown by these protesters after the government decided to implement cap in Assam and Northeast, and is under discussion right now. Much damage has been caused to the city. The question of the hour is that whether this bill will be opposed by the opposition and will be successfully pushed down to a joint parliamentary committee or standing committee. You can see ropes have been pulled in middle of the roads so that protesters don't come to the roads again. You can see security personnel putting on helmet as stone peltings are happening from all sides. Protesters are pelting stones at security personnel. Right from the morning, our team East Mojo, along with my video journalist, we have been covering this protest. Started at 10 a.m. in the morning. It was a democratic protest that was carried out by a few students. Now, eventually, in the noon, it turned out to be a violent one. You can see slippers of protesters lying down. Security personnel are putting on all efforts to disperse the mob, but they are refusing to go away. I would like to inform my viewers, this is the situation of Guwahati right now. For many people, I would like to inform that Guwahati in other days is a very peaceful city. This locality, this road which you are looking at is a VIP zone area and it's highly packed traffic. And today you can see it has turned to a battleground. Protesters are pelting stones at security personnel. Journalists are covering up themselves to report from ground zero. They're covering up themselves to protect themselves from the stones that are being pelted by protesters. Tear gas selling everywhere. Video journalists and journalists are finding it difficult to see amidst the gas. And still, protesters on the road, they are chasing away the protesters, but they're denying to go. We'll continue with a report. The demand is that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is trying to betray the people of Assam. This Citizenship Amendment Bill is a threat to culture, indigeneity, language of the region, and people of Assam won't accept this bill in any way. We'll keep you updated minute to minute. Still in the evening, thousands of them are still on the roads. Not only students, senior citizens, men, women have joined in this protest against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. With video journalist Mukut, this is Sandeep reporting for East Mojo.
আমাৰ এইখিনি অধিকাৰ আছে ন পুৰা আমি খালি মাঠে মাতিব আহিছে আপুনিও বুজি লওক কথাখিনি মানুহখিনি এইটোৱে ক'ব বিচাৰো যে আপোনালোকে যদি ওলাই আহিছে ওলাই অহাটো ভাল লাগিছে আমাৰ খালি গণতান্ত্ৰিকভাৱে যোনখিনি কৰে আইন হাতত নল'ব এইটোৱে বাছ আশা আৰু
তীব্ৰ প্ৰতিবাদ কৰিছে গুৱাহাটী GS ৰোডটো প্ৰতিবাদে ভৰি পৰিছে ভাবেনে ৰাজ্যসভাত এই বিলখন আচৰণ কৰি আছে
দাদা আপুনি চাওক প্ৰতিবাদেই কৰা আমাৰ একমাত্ৰ আৰু বেলেগ আৰু উপায় কি আছে কওক আমাৰ আমি প্ৰতিবাদ কৰি আছো কৰি যাম পিছলৈও কৰি যাম এতিয়াও যদি চৰকাৰ যদি সাৰ নাপায় তেনেহ'লে আৰু কি ক'ম আৰু
So you've just heard to a protester say
জুবিনদাৰ গ্ৰুপটো এইফালে পাই আছে বল আমি
অলৰেডি ডিছকাশ্যন হৈ আছে ৰাজ্যসভাত ডিছকাশ্যন হৈ আছে যদি বিলখন পাছ হৈ যায় এই প্ৰতিবাদ আজি
আমি কেতিয়াও পাছ হ'ব নিদিওঁ এই কেব আমি বিৰোধিতা কৰিছোঁ আৰু সদায় বিৰোধ কৰি গৈ থাকিম ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি জংগী আন্দোলন কৰিবলৈ আমি প্ৰস্তুত আছোঁ আৰু এই কেব আমি কেতিয়াও পাছ হ'ব নিদিওঁ ইয়াতে আজি প্ৰশাসনে আমাৰ লাঠিচাৰ্জ কৰিছে আমাক মাৰিছে পিটিছে কলেজৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট স্কুলৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট চবকে পিটিছে কিন্তু কিমান পিটিব বিচাওঁ আজি গোটেই ৰাইজ ওলাইছে আজি কোনো দল সংগঠন বুলি নহয় আজি ৰাইজ ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাইছে চব যিমান যুৱক যুৱতী আহিছে চব ওলাই আহিছে ৰাজি আৰু কেব বিৰোধ কৰি
So you just heard the protester just say that people from all sections of society has come out to the roads today in demand of scrapping this bill. This is not only concern of the political party to raise their voice in the parliament. The bill should be scrapped immediately. Here you can see an ambulance coming. This is a situation in Guwahati. You can see several protesters still there till the evening hours. Today is not a bun day, or there has been no a bun call. But then these protesters have come themselves to the roads, keeping apart their daily works. They are demanding to scrap this Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is in discussion at Rajya Sabha, and they have clearly stated that we are only left to protest and demonstrate. We have no other ways to make our voice reach those sitting in the parliament. With video journalist Mukut, this is Sandeep reporting for Ismojo.